A lens is a transmissive optical device that focuses or disperses a light beam by means of refraction. A single lens consists of a single piece of transparent material, while a compound lens consists of several sample lenses or elements, usually arranged along a common axis. In addition, lenses come into two general categories: converging, sometimes referred to as convex. Convex lens is thicker at the center than the edges. Also, the rays of light that pass throughout the lens are brought closer together, which considered as converging when parallel rays of light pass through a convex lens. The refracted rays converge at one point called the principal focus, while the concave is a lens that possesses at least one surface that curves inwards. It is a diverging lens, meaning that it spreads out light rays that have been refracted through it.
Now, what is a microscope? A microscope is an instrument used to see objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. And microscopy is the science of investigating small objects and structures using such an instrument. Also, microscopic means invisible to the eye unless aided by a microscope. Furthermore, a microscope can be made from two convex lenses. The image formed by the first element becomes the object for the second element. The second element forms its own image, which is the object for the third element, and so on. How does a microscope form an image? We consider its two lenses in succession. The object is slightly farther away from the objective lens than its focal length, producing a case 1 image that is larger than the object. The first image is the object for the second lens or eyepiece. The eyepiece is intentionally located so it can further magnify the image. The eyepiece is placed so that the first image is closer to it than its focal length. Thus, the eyepiece acts as a magnifying glass and the final image is made even larger. The final image remains inverted, but it is farther away from the observer, making it easy to view.
One of the advantages of microscope is becoming diagnostic tool when the doctors examine the tissue samples. Also, scientists are able to discover the existence of microorganisms, study the structure of cells, and see the smallest part of plants, animals, and fungi. These conclude that the lenses used in the microscope is a big help in our society. So be thankful and appreciate the hard work of these lenses. Thank you.